Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Monday and so I'm going to do my top-down analysis. If we should look at the monthly time frame, we saw that price traded down to this level here. Okay, price traded down to this other block here, right? Respected this other block, then we saw price reacting off this other block, pushing inward, right? After an expansion move, at least we should be expecting a retracement, right? After an expansion, we should be expecting a retracement or a pullback. Okay, so price gave us this massive expansion move into this level here, and we should be expecting at least for price to push in. But you can see that since May last year, price has just been consolidating around this level, but this is where price has traded down to respect, and we should be expecting price to at least push inward, right? We should be expecting a pullback at least. Do you understand? But price has just been consolidating around this level. We saw this move. Last month's candle was bullish, so we may likely see the next candle going pushing to the upside as well. Okay, so that's the only information I can extract from this monthly time frame. For away from the monthly time frame, I'm going to go to the weekly time frame. Here on the weekly time frame, I let me check. Okay, I map out this level. Let me make it visible on the weekly time frame as well. Weekly. Okay, so this is the level. We are going to move lower to the next time frame, lower than the one we just analyzed, which is the weekly time frame. Okay, so here is the weekly time frame. I can see that price was actually reacting off this level. Okay, so after this so price traded up from here. We should go back to where price reacted from. Price traded all the way down to this last candle to the downside before the expansion move to the upside. Let's just try to adjust it to this last candle here to the downside. So immediately price tapped into that order block, we saw an expansion move to the upside, right? So let's say we are just seeing this as a pullback because after an expansion, we should be expecting a pullback, right? Okay, so from here, I'm just going to map this out as let's say price taking out liquidity here, right? Price taking out liquidity here, and after that we saw price taking out this level here. We saw price trading out of this level. So we have this as a break of structure to the upside, right? We have this as a break of structure to the upside. Okay, now price retraces back to this other block here. Price traded all the way down to this other block, as you can see, and you can see that we also had a fair value gap here that pushes price back, that make that price traded down to, okay, the respected this other block. We saw price expanding upward, right? We saw this massive push to the upside. Okay, so now price, I'm seeing price trying to reprice into this level here. Let me make it more visible. I'm seeing price trying to reprice into this level, here. We want to see if price is going to respect this fair value gap before the next expansion move to the upside. But since price retraces down, since price gave us a pullback into this other block, we should be expecting the next push to the upside, right? At least to this level here, to this high, right? This is the next push, but remember this is the higher time frame. You don't expect this to happen just in a day or two because this is a weekly time frame, right? So this may take time, right, before it happens. Okay, so currently we are seeing like price repricing back to this level here, to this fair value gap. Away from this time frame, I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Right, so on the daily time frame, what exactly am I seeing on the daily time frame here? Okay, so we saw price trading back into this level here. We had this last candle before the next expansion to the upside. So we see this as what as order block that price came back to respect, right? So price gave us an expansion move, right? We saw expansion move here. This was price coming back to this low to give us an equal low. This is equal low here. Price coming back here to give us an equal low. So we are seeing price repricing back here, right? But since we have equal low here, I think price may likely trade down to this level. I don't know actually, but the first draw on liquidity that I'm looking at is this level here. So if price gets here and do not respect, maybe we want to see price still pushing back inside. But the first place we are seeing is where this level here. You can see this candle was printing down, the next one was pushing inward, and this is the next candle here. We should be expecting what at least the next candle to push inward. Okay, so away from this time frame, we are going to go to the next time frame lower than the one we just analyzed. Okay, so on this time frame, coming down to this time frame, you can see that price was just consolidating around here. And where exactly was price consolidating around? This is it, this level here, this gap here. Okay, so this gap here, price was consolidating around this level, and we want to see the next push to the downside. Okay, price pushes down out of this level. Let me adjust this so you can see clearly. So price gave us a push expansion move out of this level, then um give us a retracement inward. So today is Monday. We should be expecting this week, at least we should be expecting the next expansion right towards the downside, because we have this gap here that price left behind. We also have this gap here that price left behind. So we should be anticipating price expanding inward. I'm looking for a sell. Okay, from here I would like to go to entry time frame, right? The entry time frame, you can see here that price traded back to this level here. Price traded back. The price respects this order block. No, price did not get to this order block, right? Price did not get to this order block. Price just respected this level and expanded inward. Okay, so this move is gone already. I'm anticipating price to give me an opportunity, right, to the downside. Price um since we saw price expanding back down from this level, I'm anticipating price maybe to come back here, right, to respect this high here, then give us another expansion move to the downside, right? Give us another expansion move to the downside. So this is what I'm anticipating. This is it for today's video. If you've learned anything from this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are yet to. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.